I wasn't sure if this almond cake would work since I was replacing the usual wheat flour with oats, but it actually turned out really moist with a soft, slightly chewy texture. Let me show you exactly how I made this almond and oatmeal cake. To make this almond cake, take a large mixing bowl that gives you plenty of room to work with. Crack 2 eggs into a small separate bowl first to make sure the eggs are fresh and there are no shell pieces. Then pour the eggs into the large bowl and add 80 grams of sugar. That is little over 1/3 of a cup. Mix the eggs and sugar together until they are fully mixed and the sugar is blended into the eggs. Next, add 100 grams of melted unsalted butter that has cooled down a little so it is just warm but not hot. Then, give it a quick mix. Now, add 100 grams of rolled oats to the bowl. You can use regular oats if you want, but I like sprouted rolled oats because they're easier to digest and slightly more nutritious. Stir them into the batter until the oats are fully mixed in. Next, add 100 grams of almond flour, which is about 1 cup, to the bowl. Pour it in and mix it through the batter, folding it until there aren't any dry bits left. The batter will feel thicker once the almond flour is in, and you can see it start to come together. Next, take an orange or a lemon and use a grater or a zester to scrape off just the colored outer part of the peel. You don't want the white part underneath because it tastes bitter. Add the zest into the batter and stir it in so it mixes evenly and you get that fresh citrus flavor throughout. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar to the batter. Stir it in until it's evenly mixed with the rest of the ingredients. Next, add 150 milliliters of room temperature milk, which is about 2/3 of a cup. Mix it into the batter until the cake batter becomes smooth and pourable, as you can see in the video here. Now, take a loaf pan and line it with parchment paper so the cake won't stick. Pour all of the batter from the bowl into the pan, making sure you scrape the sides so nothing is left behind. Once all the batter is in, gently shake the pan a little so the batter sits evenly and fills the pan fully. Bake the oat and almond cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 40 minutes until the top turns golden brown and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. This oat and almond cake is moist and soft, with a little chew from the oats. You can taste the almonds, and it's sweet enough to enjoy without being too much. The cake feels light, but still has a good, satisfying texture when you bite into it. If you liked this oat and almond cake, you should also check out this delicious oat and almond cookies recipe here. They come out chewy in the middle with perfectly crisp edges, and honestly, they might be the best cookies I have made in ages. Check it out now!